All right. We are gonna go to one more meet. It is a Porky's meet, so see what's up over there. Whew, we've been everywhere. 2 car meets, 1 more to go to. It's kind of crazy that they have all these car meets same day, same damn time, which is kind of nuts. Get out of here. I think those fellas had the same issue I had with my white 2 valve with the battery cable kind of getting loose. See, this is what I'm talking about, like the drivability, like driving slow. I'm telling you, it's because of the cam tube. My foot is not on the gas right now, and it just wants to kind of go. And I know this is a tune related, because look, my foot is not on the gas yet. It's accelerating right now. Like my foot is not on the gas right now, and it's like kind of. It's literally just driving itself right now. My foot is not on the gas. Tomorrow's gonna be the last day I have this this ghost cam tuna. Oh my god, look at that Viper. Damn, bro, we got a couple Porsches, like. So mad they got gap. Damn, they're not going the same way I'm going. I don't think. I think I technically need to be going that way. There's a Cybertruck. We got Porsches. Yeah, GT3 RS. This thing sounds insane, bro. Wanted to go ahead and follow those Porsches, but at the same time they're going on the other side of town, and
moments later.
Alright, so those other cars actually did not go down this way. I should have followed those GT3 RSs. That could have been pretty interesting. But they were going the complete opposite way I'm going, and also the complete opposite direction of where I stay at. So would they have wanted to play? Hell, probably. Oh, we got an NSX pulling up. Hold on. Please downshift. Please. I'm not gonna start it. I ain't gonna start it. You got a 392 right there too. We need more space. This highway is kind of sketch though. But oh, we got a Hellcat right there. Hold on, this could get interesting. Please think I'm an EcoBoost. I want that Hellcat to pull up. This truck can anchor it. Oh shit, look at this. Truck's throwing rocks. God, the pops and bangs. plates up here, a fucking Lambo. What is going on? A cop that didn't even come after. That's crazy. I think I missed my turn though too. I definitely did. Oh no, I didn't. PTSD when I tried to mess with a chick in a C6 Z06 last year. Oh my God. It's just I ain't gonna race it because there's a cop that probably is like, he probably pulled out. He definitely probably did. Hey, all power to you. That's crazy. That's Texas for you. Oh, she gone. That's so badass, I ain't gonna lie. Right now, but hey, that was worth it. I don't care, that was worth it. Look, yeah, I could have went and messed with those GT3 RSs in all reality, but that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Like a chick in a Lambo just showed me how it was done, man. Just cutting up. You know, mild cutting up, you know what I'm saying? We ain't being ignorant. Dude, she's gone! Alright, we're about to pull up. Man, dude, it is entirely too hot outside. I put like 90 miles in this car today, I think. But driving around, it's the third meet I'm going to right now. But this is gonna be the continuation of the first half of the vid that was uploaded a day earlier. Too much stuff went on. I'm not gonna go ahead and put it in one vid. The vid would definitely be well over an hour, probably like an hour and a half or something like that in all reality. Damn, bro. My thermometer, I think, is a little off. This is 93, but IATs are 112. Engine oil is 223. Shit. Imagine if this was a tech pack with no oil cooler. I'd be, whew, man, I'd be shocked. I'll take the little screen over that shit. Nah, non-old cool car. Hell. Oh, what the hell? I guess we missed it. I don't know. I guess we missed it. Oh well. Yeah, we missed it. It's supposed to end at 12, but oh well. I guess we missed it. All right, back at the casa. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the little cruise we got with the Porsche GT3 RSs. We had that Lamborghini as well as that NSX. That was pretty cool, man. Supercars versus the ProCharged Shelby GT350. Stay tuned. We're gonna do some hard pulls in this car very soon. So if you guys enjoyed, feel free, drop a like in the vid, subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications, and I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one, man. Stay safe and stay cool out there, y'all. Deuces.